Have you ever wondered how to safely insert an endotracheal tube for suction? Well, today, we are going to explore this important medical procedure step by step. First things first, it's crucial to understand the procedure in detail before attempting it. This involves knowing the anatomy, the equipment required, and the step-by-step process of inserting the tube. A well-prepared script can guide you through each step, highlighting important safety considerations, potential complications, and tips for success. Next, gather all the necessary equipment for the procedure. This typically includes an endotracheal tube, a suction catheter, lubricating jelly, a syringe, and a suction device. Having everything in place before you start can save you valuable time and effort. Setting up the filming environment is equally important. Choose a location that is well lit and quiet to ensure that your viewers can clearly see and hear each step of the procedure. A stable camera angle is key to delivering a clear, focused video. As you begin filming, introduce the purpose of the video and any necessary disclaimers. Then, slowly and clearly demonstrate each step of the procedure, explaining each action as you go. Close-up shots can provide a detailed view of the equipment and technique, aiding viewer understanding. Throughout the video, emphasize the importance of patient safety. Highlight key safety measures such as proper hand hygiene, maintaining a sterile field, and monitoring the patient's oxygenation and ventilation. Discuss potential complications that may arise during the procedure and how to address them. After filming, it's time to edit the video footage to remove any mistakes or unnecessary pauses. Consider adding text overlays or graphics to reinforce important points or highlight key equipment. A summary at the end of the video can help to recap the main steps of the procedure. As a final touch, remind viewers that this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace hands-on training by qualified medical professionals. Once your video is ready, upload it to your YouTube channel, optimizing the title, description, and tags to make it easily searchable. Sharing the video on relevant social media platforms and medical forums can help to reach a wider audience. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel for future updates and educational content. Remember, patient safety and accuracy should always be your top priorities. Always adhere to best practices and guidelines when performing medical procedures. And that's it, the step-by-step guide on how to safely insert an endotracheal tube for suction. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be disheartened if you don't get it right the first time. Stay patient, stay safe, and keep learning.